How to make a sand cake. This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. Ingredients: 1 cup, 120 grams, all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup, 1 stick or 115 grams, unsalted butter, at room temperature. 1/2 cup, 100 grams, granulated sugar. 1 large egg, beaten. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup, 120 grams, buttermilk. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. 1. Butter and flour 1 9-inch, 23 centimeters, round cake pan. 2. Sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into a bowl. 3. In another bowl, cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg, then the vanilla extract. Alternately add the flour mixture and buttermilk to the butter mixture, mixing until just combined. 4. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan. Bake for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick or cake tester comes out clean when inserted into the center of the cake. 5. Allow the cake to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.